Hi friends, I hope you're having a great weekend. Today's video is about art and yoga, and it is designed to awaken your intuition and natural creativity. Start by getting an image of a seated person and tracing around it. And then bring out your colours or some pens or whatever you have in the house and put them beside your book. Then sit cross-legged and take 6 nice, slow, deep breaths, relaxing and allowing yourself to breathe deeply. Then drop your head down as you breathe out and lift your head up as you breathe in, and do this 3 times. Then drop your head to the left-hand side and bring it back to the center, and drop your head to the right-hand side and bring it back to the center. Breathing out as you drop your head, breathing in as you lift your head, and do this 3 times. Then roll your head 3 times, clockwise and then anti-clockwise 3 times. Sit and stretch your arm above your head and allow your back to straighten. Then put your right hand on the ground and reach your left hand over. This will give you a nice side bend. And do the same on the opposite side. Then roll your shoulders clockwise and then anti-clockwise, forwards and then back. And then do some spinal rolls as you've seen me do in this video. Then lie on your back and bring your knees to your chest and do circular motions clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Breathe in deep and slowly throughout. Then bring your feet back to the ground and lift your bum off the floor into a bridge pose, and take 3 to 5 breaths and slowly bring your bum back to the ground. Drop your knees to the left hand side and your arms in a T position from your body, and take 3 to 6 breaths. Then do the same on the other side. Then we'll go on all fours into cat dog. Breathe in and then breathe out and arch your back. Breathe in, straighten your back, and then breathe out as you arch your back. We are straightening our back because this is a light, mild yoga exercise. You can, of course, arch your back if you please. After this, do the eye of the needle, stretching your arm, doing a nice spinal twist, stretching your arms, and take 3 breaths, and do the same on the other side. Into a comfortable position and take 3 to 6 breaths. Now, get your drawing out that we did at the start of this video and allow yourself to pick whichever colours you're drawn to, or you can just sit with the colours and just sit for a moment with your eyes closed and then grab a colour you're drawn to. And the idea is to stay relaxed, and if you hear that nagging voice telling you to judge your art or judge your drawing that you're doing right now, just ask it to keep its opinion till the end of the exercise. Just pick up the colours you are drawn to and colour in the parts of the image that you again are drawn to. Remembering that this is a relaxing time for you and a time for self-love. You can go into as little or as much detail as you want. Remember to allow your intuition to speak, even if the voice is a very faint whisper, which sometimes it can be. I am a trained yoga teacher with the British Wheel of Yoga, so if you have any questions about anything in the video, please leave it below in the comments and I'll happily answer it. Love to know if anyone watching this has any similar exercises they'd like to share in the comments below. I'd really enjoy reading about them. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, especially if you've watched all the way to the end. I'm sure you must have gained something from it, and I really do appreciate you watching the full video. I also have, and again, I have a buy me a coffee link in the description. I really do again appreciate your time to watch this. I hope you have gained something from this video and it has helped you relax and grow closer to your intuition. I look forward to reading about your art and yoga exercises in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.